Hi friends, hope you have learned the skills and abilities to survive during and beyond COVID in my earlier video series. Welcome to Dr. Murli's Wise Labs. In today's session, let's understand perform or perish, associated fears and anxiety. Performance, fear and anxiety takes different shapes on an individual's career. That too, if it is connected to your growth and recognition in your organization. With competition increasing day by day, pressure to perform is also increasing in every business, my dear friends. Employees' mind also exerts some sort of performance fear, which will unconsciously prepare oneself think of failure and its consequences on his or her job career. A lot of psychologists working on this area says it is quite but normal if an individual is experiencing performance fear. Actually, fear is good. Otherwise, people do not work or perform their tasks and duties correctly. Don't you accept with me? But this fear should not be unrealistic in nature, which pushes oneself to failure. So, friends, increase your scientific decision making skills as to how you assess your tasks and plan your execution. There are different types of workplace anxiety which an individual experience. Point number 1, fear of interacting with your bosses. Point number 2, fear of humiliation in front of other colleagues. Point number 3, fear of embarrassment. Point number 4, evading new projects and tasks. Point number 5, over anxious of not keeping up organizational standards. Point number 6, over anxious of performance appraisal getting negative. Now, having said that, question arises as to how to overcome these workplace fears and anxiety. Point number 1, recognize the cause of your fear or anxiety if possible. This will help you to work towards eliminating your fear and anxiety. This is what we call in psychology as trigger points. Point number 2, do not self-criticize yourself as to whether you can perform this task or you can achieve this target. As per psychology, this is a negative trait which pushes oneself to anxiety disorders. In spite of this, check on your areas of improvement, learning, capabilities, new skills, etc. This will enable for you to perform better in your next assignments. Point number 3, rest yourself, be calm, do meditate, spend time for yourself. Point number 4, having clarity in what you are expected to do, be self-confident. Point number 5, think how to get out of your comfort zone. I mean, in your meetings, ask clarifications, seek clarifications, raise objections if need be, express your rights, etc. Point number 6, setting up achievable goals in your life which will help you manage your workplace fear and anxiety. Understand your business, your competitors, your job roles and responsibilities properly. Point number 8, understand the untold roles associated with your job. This I call as role assumptions. Point number 9, practice and learn effective communication skills. Please watch my video on powerful communication on the same channel, Dr. Murli's Wise Labs. Point number 10, like yourself, otherwise who will like you and why should they like you? Point number 11, think from your employer's perspective also. You will understand the pressures to manage the business. Point number 12, practice interpersonal skills and gel well with your team, colleagues, etc. Point number 13, do not argue, instead be assertive in your discussions. Point number 14, accept criticism, my dear friends, and examine the criticism truthfully. Nobody throws stones at a tree if the tree doesn't bear fruits. They see something in you and then they criticize. Point number 15, speak with your friends and family about your progress and get help if need be. Do not work in isolation and worry a lot. Express and discuss, otherwise things will worsen up. Hope you have understood the fears and anxieties at your workplace, which helps or to perform better. And also have learned the skills which needs to be modified or nurtured in you to increase your performance at the workplace. Good luck, all the best. Thank you. Please subscribe Dr. Mulli's Wise Labs.